In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 4275E printer with the MacBook. First, we have to enter the printer into the setup mode. For that, switch on the printer, press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button together for 3 seconds. Once you see the power light flashing, release it. The wireless light will start to flash. That means printer is ready for setup. Go to the MacBook and open the HP Smart app. If your MacBook is old, it will be HP Smart app. If it's a new version, it will be just the HP app. Here we have to add the printer, so click on the add new printer. Select HP DeskJet 4200 series setup. Continue. Select the Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Click on the continue. Press the flashing I button on the printer control panel, that is here. Continue the setup. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Wait for the printer to show up on the main app, and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. So that's the setup of the printer with the MacBook. Thanks for watching.